Happy New Year and welcome back to the shop here. I gotta sit over here because the car windshield is putting blinding light in my face. So a couple of things I just want to say here. First, the opening that you didn't see this time, I'm decided to just kill the opening kind of music and showing off my stuff. Why did I do it in the first place, you might ask? Well, when I started the channel, of course, I'm going to copy what everybody else does, and they all have an opening, so create my own. In addition, I kind of like showing off what I can do in the shop, what I've learned, figured out how to do, mastered, and so on. Second, you can tell my voice is kind of messed up here. Christmas morning, I came down with the flu. Hasn't been fun at all, so I have been recording different projects as they progress, parts come in. So it's going to be a kick. Future videos, you're going to hear where I'm not sick, recording further stuff, and then there'll be segments where my voice is really messed up. So that'll be fun. This video, first I really want to thank Sanou K12 for turning me on to these chucks. Can you see them? Yeah, okay. I saw him, I'll briefly talk about it here in upcoming segment, but if you're like me and you really want high precision, really nice machine chucks, Banggood's it. So I'll put a link in the description to them. I've got two of them. 4-jaw self-centering, 4-jaw independent. So on with the video. See you next time. All right, setup, I hope. Gloves, paper towels, razor, everything. I saw Sanou K12. Bought, it was a 6-jaw. It's a different chuck for a different reason, but I was looking at the manufacturer that he got it from, this Sanou or whatever, and it looked like it was incredible quality. So I decided to order it. This is off of eBay. It was $75. 4-jaw self-centering, and I'm hoping I can make it fit. I think this was the first chuck. This was my main chuck that I've used forever. It was funny too, because it was from Amazon, and the description said Steelex. When it arrived, it says Shop Fox. But kind of the reason I want to do this is because a lot of times you'll have something, it can easily fly out between 2 jaws. A 4-jaw, if this turns out to be really nice, I'll be using this all the time. And I'm hoping, you know, the adapter plate from a little machine shop, I'm thinking it might fit. But it is the Sanou, this is the K12 100 millimeter, 4-inch. Let's see what it is here. They package it nicely. Definitely out of China, right? All the Chinese writing. Ow, that hurt. It snapped. All right, that goes away, that goes away. Please be extremely nice. I need to do this to get this open, huh? Hey, how do you get in there? There. Kind of got the tab. Good. There it is. All right. Okay. Woo. That's pretty cool, man. Look at it. It's well packaged. Man, that is definitely nice grinding on it. That is, I think it's going to be just as nice. So thank you, Sanou. If worst comes to push comes to shove, I just have to make my own adapter plate. And there it is. It does say the right thing on it. All right, heavy and greased. Glad I brought this over here. Wow, yeah, this is nice. This is really nice. I should have taken that off to see right off the bat, but like I said, push come to shove, I'm just gonna make my own plate. Wow, sweet, huh? Yeah, I have to take this thing completely apart to check it out, but oh. So was this Chinese or Taiwan? Because all the products I've seen coming out of Taiwan are really nice. yeah, this, I'm thrilled with this, boy. And is it skinnier? Exact same depth. Exact same depth. Incredible. Very, very, very happy so far. Anybody loose? Rocks that way. I bet you these are like perfect. These are tight, boy. They don't go anywhere. Where's that wrench? Here it is. Ow! I can't get it out. Oh, what is that? Oh, screws. I think I did a spring. Get rid of that. Bye. What does it do here? How does it feel, huh? I'm sure it's gonna be nice. Oh yeah, it needs to be cleaned up, but yeah, that is smooth. All right, so it's take apart time and just look at it all. 3 holes, because this guy, I can do 3, right? If I stand up, where is it? 1? Yeah, 1, 2, 3, right there. So I'll have to get all this stuff apart and see what happens. Where's stop on the camera? There it is. I swear this has got to be way better than your average Chinese stuff. Xinjiang, I don't know. I gotta go on the internet and see if this is Taiwan or Chinese, but wow. Yeah, these are very well ground. They're all nicely stamped. They're all the same number inside of each one, like it was machined as a set. It's kind of an italic font to it too. I don't know how they did that. And they are labeled 1, 2, 3, 4. Very clearly stamped which jaw goes where. And it's nicely stamped in here too, where each jaw goes. So that's cool. And I don't know why there's blue here and there's blue on this guy. So all well machined surfaces. This one surface doesn't really count, it's what's inside. And that looks like it's very well made. The outside edge, oh, why does that not go all the way? Oh, that's why, okay. That's the end of the thing. So, kind of question though, down in here, this rides on a surface and it's flat and then it comes up. So there's a ledge in there that it rides on, but it's really rough. And I'm not sure why that would be rough, or if there's anything I can really do about it. Probably grease or something, but even, these guys, beautiful grinding on them, beautiful machining. I am thrilled to death with this chuck. And the great thing is, it fits. This is the LMS adapter. And it goes right on there. There is no play. It fits it perfectly. And I should be able to get the holes to line up. That would be 1, right? Yep. Yep, right on the money. 3. And then I just need to put my balancing weight here to balance it. So I don't have to make my own. I can go to LMS and just buy the adapter alone. Because I also have, this is the 4-jaw self-centering. I've got a 4-jaw independent coming. So I'll have to buy 2 adapter plates. This is nice. Well, actually, the one I've got from LMS is a 4-jaw independent, but it's a wreck. So I'll take the adapter plate off of that one and put it on this. So I only need to buy 1 plate and just retire the other chuck. So if anybody is interested, I'll put a link in the description. This is pretty nice too. The finish on it is pretty good. Usually it's yucky. I wonder if my other, it's way over there. Hopefully my other chuck key fits this guy. I bet you it does, because I've got nice rubber pieces on the handles and stuff. So that's it. I'm thrilled with this. So I just need to clean it up a little bit more and get it mounted up. This would be great. I can't tell in the monitor Where is the dial? There it is. Why don't they just kill the light? I think there's glare all over the place, but did test indicate the outside, and it's not mounted on the spindle in the center. There's about 3/1000th run out, and it's matching this guy move up and down, but this is about 2.5 thou run out. And if that's because the chuck is off, then this is incredible chuck. Want to slow it down more? Yeah. So just throwing a 1/2 inch gauge in there, gauge pin, to get a 2.5 thou like this. Wow. So incredibly thrilled. I wonder what happens if I throw in a different size. Let me go and get a 1/4 inch. Let's see, this one was what I used to do it. All right, so I carefully get that out. Where's a 1/4 inch gauge pin? There you are. Oh, that guy's dirty, huh? All right, well, get him in there. See what this is gonna do. And after greasing it up, it's very tight to move. Well, I shouldn't say very tight, but it's a lot smoother than it was. All right, so get him over there, and I gotta take him down a bunch. Which way is loose? That way is loosening it. There, closer. That's probably close enough. Tighten it up really good. Bring him down. Oh, he's off center. Yeah, up right there. Where's center? There. That's center. Bring it back to about the 5. Yeah, that's very close to the 5. Now let's see what this guy does, huh? Wow, look at this. This is crazy, huh? What is that? That's 1.5. You can quite tell. I'm gonna slow it down more. It's going over the 5. All right, let me stop it. Find the high spot. There was the high. Right there. It was going up a 1/2 thou. There. So that's 5, and it's coming down. That's 2/1000ths. 1, 2. So a 1/2 thousand's better. Incredible. I just need to get this chuck mounted better than this. Again, and the balance is way off, so I'll just have to use the magnet again to try to figure out where in the world the balance is off and get that vibration down. But this is going to be my main chuck from now on. Well, decided that, move the camera a little bit here. Decided to make my own adapter plate, and the reason is normally when I bolt the adapter plate to the spindle, well, first of all, if I put a dial indicator on the spindle, I don't get any movement at all. You cannot see that needle move, so the spindle is perfect. Normally when I mount the adapter plate to the spindle, I'll get maybe a 1/2 thou run out. Right now, kind of thinking I lucked out, I put it on here and I've got 0. So, put it on the chuck and I've got almost 3 thou run out. So, I don't know whether the adapter plate's off or the chuck is off. So, in any case, I decided to make my own little adapter plate here. So I've got it faced, turned. The OD of it is just slightly larger than my 3-jaw. Actually, I'm not sure what I'm going to put this on. I'm probably going to try this. Yeah, since I'm going to want this 4-jaw to be my main one, I'm going to try to make this for the 4-jaw. And then the adapter plate will go back on my 3-jaw, which I'll use because I don't want to make another chuck spider. That was a lot of work. But the other curious thing is a comment was left on my making change gears video. A guy wanted to know the math to make a set of gears where he could slow it down even more. Now this lathe is on the slowest gear setup you can get. And it gives you an incredible finish. You know, the guy was saying he wants to go slower because he wants to get an even better finish. So it's plenty. The secret's all in your tool here. I'll just show a little bit of doing this. But the finish in there, to me, is just absolutely gorgeous. Right now I'm hand feeding it in, and then I'm using the power feed or whatever, to take it out. Taking off like 3 thousandths at a time. And using my motor oil to 30% kerosene as cutting fluid, which seems like it works for everything. Yeah. And power feed, there you go. You can see that sucker's moving really, really slow. And you can see the chip. This is just a nothing fancy carboid boring bar. See if I can stop, and then you can kind of maybe see the finish in there. And that's like a 1-inch depth of cut or something, so you can see how slow it's going to take a 1-inch cut. There, done. Back it out and blow it off a little bit. Come on, get out. There. I'm trying to look in the camera. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see. I'll move the light around a bit. Maybe you can see something great. But to me, that's gorgeous. All right, here's the second one. Same company, hoping for the same great quality, 4-jaw independent though. So let's see what this one looks like. All right, get rid of that. Get rid of that. Same box, see, nice thing. Got a little crunched. Yeah, I got it hit pretty good here, huh? But this came all the way from China. This was from Banggood. So, and nice box, okay. Same kind of wrench, I guess. Yeah, they're smaller though. I wonder, that's kind of curious. All of the independent ones, you can't get it off, have a really small chuck key thing. How many screws do they give you? Looks like 4. Yep, 4. Wow. All right. I'm hoping it should be the same quality. Dump that here. It looks like it. Wow. Yep. Same gorgeous machining, everything. Yeah, and this has 4, whereas the other guy has 3. Oof, yeah, they oil it to death. Jesus. Wow, different. All the other Chinese ones, this plate's plastic. This is interesting. How do you get this thing apart, huh? Why do they have it that way? Oil everywhere. Gorgeous finish, grinding. Look at this. Wow. This is definitely beautiful. And I'm sure, I don't have the other wrench handy. I'll have to use this one. Wait, come on. Yeah, I have to get it apart, clean it up and stuff. So it looks like the same insane, incredible quality. Sanou, S-A-N-O-U, K72 100. So this will make life very nice and easy. Now I got the self-centering 4-jaw and an independent 4-jaw, and this should fit right on there beautifully, right? Yep, no play, nothing. You can actually feel it kind of bind a little bit, but, huh. All right, so then I'll have to dedicate this to the other one, which is fine. All right, cool. I don't know what it is about these guys, but you always have to run a tap through it, and some black junk comes out. Make it nice and clean at least. It seems like every Chinese product, somehow they get anodizing or something down in the threads. Oh, and evidently this is pressed in. You don't really take this guy apart. Yeah, there's black junk in there. So this will be the guy dedicated to him. And they give 4 nice screws with this thing. And I should have turned it over, but this easily holds a 4-inch OD part. I'm sure it'll go to 4.5. It might almost go to 5. But, alright, well, yeah, I guess I'll try to flip it over and show you guys the 4-inch. Look at the junk on that, wow. Alright, just flip it over. Because this, something to point with, that face was out here easily still engaged. But this is a little over 4 inches. Look at this. So, because I'm going to mount this, I got to turn that to the final dimension here. But boy, this is really nice. So, I'll get it all mounted up, man.